And in this case, I am going to be using this piece of scrap fabric that I have for my pocket. So I only have a certain amount of fabric, so I just want to make sure that this is going to work. And I should have enough. So I'm going to use, this is going to be about 7 inches tall and about 5 inches wide. So it's just slightly larger than the interior pocket. And once you've measured these out, you can go ahead and cut your patterned pieces. Should be fine. And once you have these trimmed out, then you're ready to go ahead and cut out all your pieces from your various fabrics. And I also like to label them so we know that this is the interior and this is the top. And this is going to be our outside pocket.